Big tub of corn. What is that thing?
Carrot! A carrot!
Calling that a carrot. Toy blood pressure cuff. You like it, Benny? I love this little doctor kit that Belle got from Uncle Feep and Aunt Shannon. Can you check Mickey's heart? Check my heart too. Emerald City, that's right. Can you say thank you, Paula?
Tin Man! Josie's trapped.
She's trapped?
Josie! Scarecrow! The rainbow! Tin Man! Tin Man! Tin Man! Tin Man! Hi, Josie! Hi, Josie! I'll get you, my pretty little dog, too.
Hey everybody, happy Saturday to you. Kind of a combo vlog this weekend because I didn't post a vlog last week. I didn't have a ton of clips. This weekend's gonna be pretty low-key, I think. Tyler volunteers with a local youth sports organization and they've already wrapped up their flag football season. So he's now got a little more weekend time freed up and we thought it would be fun to check out this new locally owned toy store that's in our area. And one of the pre-K dads was telling me this at drop-off. They make their own ice cream and their own fudge there too. So it's like toys, candy, ice cream. It's a brilliant idea, is it not? So we want to check that out. I think it's really important to support your local businesses, and we've seen another toy store in a neighboring town. We loved it so much, but it had to close down within the last year or so, I think. And also, I've been using this as kind of an incentive, sort of a goal for Belle, because she's been doing so good at drop-off, you know, not being clingy and like, bye mom, and doing a good job there. And I told her, I'm like, you keep this up, we're gonna have something fun to do this weekend. And I mean, I think she feels proud of herself that, yeah, I did this and now here's something that I can see I can do because of it. Like, we're all getting to go mommy and daddy and Biddy because of me and something I did right and positive decisions that I made. So I want her to feel that and feel that satisfaction from it. But what else? I gotta head downstairs and get my description box all filled out for today's video, which I'm so excited about. It incorporates the family and they raided the makeup room a few days ago and picked out my makeup.
What's this, a setting spray?
Yes.
Who picked this out?
Me.
What's in there?
Some eyeshadow palette.
That's right. Oh, what do you got there, Biddy?
Hey, Garrett.
That's right.
This is the thing where you put on yourself like this. An ocean. How about this? No.
So I'm gonna get that up this morning as a Saturday morning video. I got several inches taken off my hair. So that's what that's looking like at the moment. Here's Bub, one of several stars of my latest production on YouTube. People are pretty impressed, Bub, with your knowledge, your ability to choose all the parts. But I would also like to point out that my layout of my makeup storage is pretty intuitive, you know?
It just kind of went drawer by drawer there for a while.
Yeah. So we're on our way to the new local toy shop. It's gonna be so much fun. But then I just realized, Bub, if they're serving ice cream in there, they're gonna want the ice cream. Right. It'll be like 10 a.m. when we're there.
It'll be all right. It's Saturday.
Love you. What do you hope to see at the toy store?
I want to see the ice cream because it's really yummy.
That is a cute little stroller.
Go look at all the flavors.
Look at all the candy. What kind sounds good they've got? Mint chip, cookie dough. How is it, Biddy? Yeah. Biddy thought that bite was going to hurt.
A little big for her.
What do you think? Yummy.
I want some fruit.
Bub's finishing up my fried green tomato pimento cheese sandwich.
Eat my fries. I eat my
Finish
fries.
it all.
What's my fries doing?
What happens when you have ice cream as an appetizer?
Yeah.
No.
How are your fries?
Good.
Yeah. Grilled cheese.
Scope out my dope outfit.
I just want to show everybody what Bub wears when he's just lounging around. These pants are really, really
They're
soft,
so
though.
soft and comfy.
You look so cozy, Bub.
I feel cozy.
Almost as cozy as she does. It's date night, me and the son over
Oh,
there.
wow. Look at that guy. Camera can't pick him
What can
up.
we say? He's hot. We're having a date night. We're going to get some sushi. Nana and Papa have the ladies, so we have a little night out. What did you guys do? Did you decorate those?
They got to each pick one of these little candy things to put in the middle, and they would pick
Aw, sugar
pumpkins.
cookies?
Uh-huh.
Hey, you. Bub and I are experiencing our first ever cauliflower crust pizza here. I think it's quite delightful,
It's
actually.
really good.
I mean, nothing wrong with that.
Dig it.
I can hardly tell. Like,
Yeah, it
it
really
just
can.
seems like thin crust pizza. I don't know.
No, it's like it actually kind of has some flakiness to it.
You having some waffles? So yummy. Look at that baker cat. She loves to lay in the sunshine. Aww. Here's a pro tip. You give them a little bit of whipped cream to dip their waffle in instead of syrup. It's a lot easier, like a lot less sticky. Hi, Bub.
Oh, hi.
What's up? What's up with you today?
I'm just watching some football, drinking a Michelob Ultra out of my new super cool koozie that's custom fit for those types of cans.
Skinny cans?
Yours is cooler than mine.
Mine is
It's pretty
actually
bomb.
gorgeous. It's like mauve, but fun mauve. Yeah, I haven't used that yet, but fits skinny cans, huh?
Yeah,
Would it fit like a strawberry or something?
I think it would. I think those are the same
skinny.
cans. Yeah, it would. Or like those Truly things I drank.
Does it actually keep them colder?
It does. Because it's got like a rubbery thing, so it really seals in.
So when you undo it, you have to twist off something.
Yeah, but actually, I've stopped doing it because you can just pull them out
Oh, okay.
and put them in. I don't even know why it's a twist off. Honestly.
Not sponsored. So, Bub, what's been going on with you and your keto?
Okay.
A lot of people have asked, is he still eating keto?
Right.
They might sometimes see you having a cheat meal and think,
well,
what the heck's this guy about?
I pretty much do it now Sunday through Thursday. Friday and Saturday I'll get a little, one weekend I'll just do like one cheat meal and then do it the rest of the time, where I might just say, screw it, I'm taking Friday and Saturday off.
But then sometimes you'll plug in a 3-day fast in there.
Right, yeah, and so this week I basically didn't do keto Friday and Saturday, but I did a fast from the previous Sunday through Tuesday, so I did a 72-hour fast. So that's kind of why I relaxed it a little bit.
Yeah.
This
And how much have you lost since starting keto?
Okay, since starting keto, I started at about 284 pounds. And
Tell everybody your height.
I'm 6'6". The heaviest I ever was in college. I was a college football player, defensive tackle, and yeah, I was trying to be heavy. I was about 305 pounds. I was right around 300 most of the time.
Yeah. Okay.
Then got done with football, and I kind of, when I was still working out a lot after football, I was hovering around 260-ish. Christmas last year, like right after all the holiday binge eating stuff, I was over 290 again, and I'm like, I gotta lose some weight. So I did a few things, just kind of some small stuff, and I lost about 10 pounds. I was about 284 in June. I think that's when I started doing this. Because I think on 4th of July I was doing keto. So
Yeah, you were. And we did the whole, we're going to eat everything on the McDonald's dollar menu, and then it started.
If you want to know the exact date, go find the vlog for
McDonald's
dollar menu, and that's pretty much going to be the exact date. But since then I was about 284, and that's one thing I regret. I didn't like do real before and after. I didn't take any pictures. I didn't record my exact weight, but I'm pretty sure it was right around 284.
Okay.
And I didn't like do measurements and stuff. I should have probably.
So where are you at now?
But this morning I was 260, but that's after a few.
I can't believe
days of cheat
that's
days.
crazy, bub.
I've been as low as 257
Wow.
within the last few days. So and with me, my weight can fluctuate 5 to 10 pounds in a day.
See, that's wild. But on his big old frame, I mean,
Right,
he can do that.
Overall, I guess I'm down about 25 pounds.
It's awesome. You're very disciplined. You're really good at sticking to it. As a whole, while you've been doing keto, I've been probably eating better than I normally would. Just because I'm more conscious of things and like some of the things that I make and whatnot.
Have I done 3 or 4 fasts? I think only 3.
And we've done some fast
I've
days,
done
which I've
3
been involved in.
3 3-day fasts, and then 1 or 2 just 1 day 24-hour fasts. And I'm starting to become a big believer in those for a couple of reasons, but the biggest thing it does is it kind of resets your hunger. It makes you realize, you know, oh, I had lunch and it's now 6 o'clock and I'm so starving. It's like, no, I'm not. Kind of resets your body's need for food, so you just aren't craving as much. I don't feel the need to snack a lot.
What do you think, Baker Cat? Oh, she's such a little sweetheart on that couch. She's been sleeping on that all the time. What were you gonna
Let's
say?
put a bow on this. My goal is to get to 250 by the end of the year. That's what I started this whole thing with. It's in sight.
That is, you are on the home stretch, buddy.
I'm getting there.
Good job. High five from me to you, and probably high fives from all the people watching, because that's pretty cool. You finished Dawson's Creek.
Yes.
Do you miss it?
I do a little bit. I found myself
I miss it a ton! So we felt we needed to immediately dive into something comparable.
Yeah.
We needed to ease our transition out of this because we'd been watching Dawson's Creek nightly for God knows how long now. So we went to Friday Night Lights.
Right.
Which is a great show,
Yeah, and we
with great actors.
We watched a couple of seasons and then just kind of lost track, I think.
So my memory of it was really foggy, so I feel like it's all kind of new to me. You remembered some things, I think.
Very few, but Betty, please get
Biddy! But whenever I feel kind of stressed, I just remind myself that I'm probably not as stressed as Coach Taylor is.
That's true. He's always at a 12 out of 10 stress level.
Well, it's tough, and he's not putting it on himself. It's all these other people in the town, this football crazed town.
Absolutely.
What's that called? BruMate?
BruMate, which, you know, not sponsored.
Stocking stuffer.
Seriously. Get it early, though, because it took like 3 weeks to get here since we ordered it. I was like checking the mail every day. And they didn't send the tracking number for the shipping. It was
Good to know. Thank you, bub.